ìtúsílẹ̀ nínú ìgbèkùn. Ó lè jẹ́ ìgbèkùn olóṣèlú, ó lè jẹ́ ìgbèkùn ìjọba, ó lè jẹ́ ìgbèkùn ẹ̀sìn, ó lè jẹ́ ìgbèkùn nǹkan kan. Kò sí ìgbèkùn tí ó lè jẹ́, ẹ ṣé brọ́dà mi. Ìgbèkùn, ìtúsílẹ̀ nínú ìgbèkùn. So ìwọ ló wá máa mọ inú ìgbèkùn tó wà, inú ìgbèkùn àìríṣẹ́, irú ìgbèkùn àìróúnjẹjẹ, irú ìgbèkùn àìlómìnira àti rìn. Nǹkan tí Yorùbá nation wà fún nìyẹn. Yorùbá nation kò wà defined for a religion purpose. It's not designed as a religion purpose. Tí àwọn èèyàn bá ń lọ mọ́ ẹ̀sìn, tí àwọn kan bá ń lọ mọ́ ẹ̀sìn lọ́rùn, mo fẹ́ kí o yá ọpọlọ ẹ ní brain, kó o yá brain yẹn kó o yá orí ẹ ní brain láti lè mọ̀ wípé Yorùbá nation kì í ṣe fún ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn. Number one thing that Yorùbá nation will give you is a freedom. Freedom. What do you know about freedom? I don't want to do it on my head. Google, what is freedom? What is freedom? Oh.
Here's the definition.
What is freedom?
Here's the definition of freedom: the power or right to act, speak, or think as one wants without hindrance or restraint.
Do you hear that? A ability to speak or talk, to move or doing something without anybody intervene or giving you a limitation. Either you are a Christian, you will be able to practice your religion peacefully without nobody come and attack you. Either you are a Muslim, you have a freedom to go to your mosque without nobody attacking you. Either you are only Shashe, you have nobody to come and attack you. That is a freedom. Number one thing for Yoruba nation that they will work on: freedom of religion. That is number one. Number two, a Yoruba nation are able to provide a job. They are not a politician. They will provide a excess job for their people. A excess job means they will create a warehouse or mobilize in anything different for our people so that they can have a lot of job. So tí wọ́n bá parí school, tí wọ́n gbowó lápò, wọ́n ní lè máa wò wípé ọ̀nà wo ni ibo láti máa gbàdíṣẹ́, irú iṣẹ́ wo la fẹ́ ṣe. Yorùbá nation will do that. They will be able to get a job immediately, even though before they finish their education. That is number two thing. Number three thing, Yoruba nation are capable of providing a security for a Yoruba people. The security is in a two-way. Number one, the first security, everybody must have identity. If you are a Fulani that live in Yoruba land, you must have identity. And your identity will include your name and the name of your country. It will not make you a citizen of Yoruba. No. It will specifically, ó máa kọ orúkọ ẹ, ẹni bá Ibrahim o, Habib o, ọmọ ìlú Sokoto ni o, ọmọ ìlú Jaba ni o, ọmọ ìlú Kwara ni o. So when we are pursuing our sentences or our maybe a political post, they will know who you are. It's not gonna be in a hidden way. Tí Fúlàní máa wá jọba lé wa lórí. No. Tí o bá fẹ́ du ipò ọba, they will just ask for your social security number. Wọ́n máa béèrè fún social security number ẹ. Immediately tí wọ́n bá dẹ̀ ti gba social security number ẹ, ó máa sọ agbo ilé tó o ti wá, ìlú tó o ti wá, state tó o ti wá, local government tó o ti wá, ẹyẹ assembly àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n àtàbúrò tó ní ó máa sọ orúkọ bàbá ẹ, orúkọ ìyá ẹ, ọjọ́ tí wọ́n bí ẹ, inú hospital ibi tí wọ́n bí ẹ sí, wákàtí ibi tí wọ́n bí ẹ sí, irú èèyàn wo ló jẹ́ àti irú iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe. He will give you a detail of who you are. That is number 3. The security. When we are talking about security, talking about who you are, we are going to have an ID, including for the policemen. Tọ́lọ́pàá bá pull ẹ over, tí mo ṣe wa mọ́tò lọ, tọ́lọ́pàá tó bá pull mi over, tó bá gba ID number mi, tó kàn tẹ nọ́mbà ID number mi sí, ó máa sọ ilé ibi tí mò ń gbé, ọmọ ìlú ibi tí mò ń ṣe, ilé ibi tí mo ti wá, ó dẹ̀ máa sọ iye síbìlì tí mo ní, èyí ọmọ tí mo bí, ó máa kọ́ kalẹ̀ síbẹ̀. Wọ́n ti process àwọn kinní yẹn systematically. This is what Yoruba Nation will give you in a security manner, so that anybody cannot just come to the country without knowing of government. Tí government ò ní mọ̀ sí, wọ́n ní dédé wọlé wá. Like Nigeria today, Fulani can come over, Senegal can come over, China can come over without no identification. So Yoruba Nation will provide a full security, a credential security. If I talk about credential security, I mean you will have a social security number and an ID that will contain your information. If you commit any crime, bóyá o mu ọtí, o drive pẹ̀lú mímu ọtí yẹn, ó máa wà lórí driver record rẹ pé ẹni báyìí ó mu ọtí o, ṣé o kò lè drive mọ́ torí pé ó ti mu ọtí drive. Ẹni báyìí ó ní medical issue o, òkú òru ló ní o, wárápá ló ní o, tó bá drive ó lè l'accident o, torí kíní yẹn lè mú anytime. Wọn ò ní lè jẹ́ kó o súnmọ́ driving. Immediately tó bá ti pull information ẹ, ò ní lè súnmọ́ sọ fún ẹ pé o ò lè drive. Security, we are still talking about security. Ẹni tó ní health issue, tó bá ti pull information ẹ, tó bá jẹ́ pé ó ní heart attack, ó ní diabetes, immediately tó bá ti pull information ẹ, wọ́n máa rí nínú information yẹn pé okay o, ẹni báyìí o, nǹkan báyìí ló ní láti ṣe o, tó bá ti ṣubú báyẹn o, àbí tó bá ń fíìlì báyìí o, nǹkan báyìí ní kẹ́ ẹ ṣe báyìí. Immediately yẹn wọ́n máa take the responsibility of that action. That is another security. Àwọn ọmọ tó ń lọ sí school, eléyìí tó dá nínú wọn, wọ́n máa kọ́ síbẹ̀ láti form 1, láti primary 1 ló ti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀. Wọ́n máa kọ́ sí pé ọmọ yìí o, nǹkan tó lè ṣe nìyí o, nǹkan tó láìka tí máa ṣe nìyí o, ọjọ́ orí ẹ̀ lélẹ́yìí o, nǹkan tí ò lè ṣe nìyí o. Eléyìí tó lọ ọjọ́ yẹn ẹgbẹ́ òkùnkùn náà, wọ́n máa kọ́ sí pé ọmọ yìí o, ẹlẹ́gbẹ́ òkùnkùn ni o, àti mú rí pẹ̀lú ẹgbẹ́ òkùnkùn o. So anytime tí ọlọ́pàá bá pull ẹ̀ over, bí ó lè ti tọ́ máa wá lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, òun ni pé bóyá wọ́n máa bá ìbọn, bóyá wọ́n máa bá àdá, àbí bóyá wọ́n máa bá nǹkan olóró lára ẹ̀, nǹkan tó máa fi pull ẹ̀ over nìyẹn. So immediately tó bá ti rí, ó ti wà suspect sáwọn ọlọ́pàá torí wípé ó ti ní information lọ́wọ́ already, tó ti criticize ẹ̀ as a criminal. That is a security. Tí Fúlàní bá ń da ẹran lọ, tí wọ́n bá ti mọ̀ pé dáradára lélẹ́yìí o, ó lè mú ìdàdá ní o, kò sí eré tó lè sá, kò sí ọ̀nà tó lè gbà. Tó bá ti pull information ẹ̀, ó máa gbé irú èèyàn tó jẹ́, ó máa gbé jáde. Guess what? Àwọn onífanatic religion, àwọn tó ń jà fún ẹ̀sìn, tó ń jà fún Ọlọ́run, they will put it on that record. Eléyìí o, ó lè pààyàn títorí ẹ̀sìn o, ìjà ló máa ń jà lójoojúmọ́ o torí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn, wọ́n máa kọ́ sí again. Pásítọ̀ tó lọ scam ọmọ ìjọ, àbí tó rẹ̀pù ọmọ kékeré, àbí àfáà tó rẹ̀pù ọmọ kékeré, ó máa wà lórí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ẹ̀. jìbìtì àbí tó kówó àwọn ará ìlú jẹ tó lu àwọn ará ìlú ní jìbìtì ó máa wà lórí ṣóṣù ẹ̀ pé ẹni o báyìí báyìí ló ṣe o irú èèyàn báyìí báyìí ló jẹ́ anywhere tó bá lọ ní Nàìjíríà ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tó bá ti púùlù ṣóṣù ẹ̀ wọ́n máa rí i pé oníjìbìtì ni wọn ò ní fún ní any post tó bá ń lọ fún tó bá ti jọmọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ owó. Politician tó bá ti lu jìbìtì wọn ò ní gbà ní ìgbà ọ̀nà owó ibi tó ti máa gbà ní ibi tí ò ti ní access sówó wọ́n máa gbà ń bẹ̀. ọba tó lọ ta ilẹ̀ ìlú àbí tó fi ọwọ́ lágbàáyàn lójú orúkọ náà máa wà nínú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì yẹn pé ọba báyìí o ó gbáyàn o ó lùyàn o títorí ọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀ ẹ má bínú o hey, let me call you back. I'm on the phone, okay? I'm in a live video. I'll call you back. Ẹ má bínú o, ìyàwó mi ló pè mí. So, ọba tó bá ta ilẹ̀, tó bá lu ilẹ̀ tà, ó máa wà lórí ṣóṣù ẹ̀ pé ọba báyìí o, ó talẹ̀ báyìí o, kò yọ nípò ọba. So, tí anything tó bá jọmọ́ nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ iwájú ọba yẹn ni investigation ti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ orí ẹ̀ ni investigation máa bẹ̀rẹ̀. So àwọn tó ń lo ìbọn ọlọ́pàá tó ń lo ìbọn tó gba rìbá orúkọ ẹ̀ náà máa wà nínú ṣóṣù ó dẹ̀ máa kọ pé ó ti gba rìbá ní olè ni. So immediately tó bá ti púùlù wọn ó máa wà ń bẹ̀ that is a security for the people ó máa wà secure àwọn èèyàn máa wà secure. Sọ́jà tó ń fi ọwọ́ lágbàáyàn lójú tó ń lùyàn lórí àìlẹ́tọ̀ọ́ orúkọ ẹ̀ máa wà nínú ṣóṣù yẹn nǹkan tó ṣe ó máa wà nínú ṣóṣù yẹn tó bá ti lè ta social security number ẹ̀ ó máa wà jáde ń bẹ̀ eye àwọn tó wọlé léde àwọn immigration wa máa ní eye àwọn tó ń jáde léde àwọn immigration wa máa ní láì sí àìní àjòjì tó lè wọlé wá. Tí ó bá ti wọlé wá táwọn ọlọ́pàá bá ti rí immediately náà máa deport ẹ̀ padà tí ó bá ti jẹ́ illegal ni tí ó bá ti gba ti legal wọlé immediately náà máa deport ẹ̀ padà tó bá jẹ́ wípé ẹni tó wà suspicious ni. Second, security ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé mo sọ fún yín pé security yẹn ọ̀nà méjì ni ọ̀nà kan ẹ̀ ni mo sì sọ yẹn proper way òun ni wípé we will safeguard our people particularly in identification card that will be identify who and what and who you are at that particular moment. That will identify you. They will know who you are. That is social security number and the ID. Yoruba are capable to do all this. Secondly, we will mobilize our security so that all these illegal criminals that come to Nigeria cannot enter our Yoruba land. No, we will safeguard our country to the extent of no any outsider can come in without identification. If you don't have identification and the reason of coming, you are not allowed to stay in our country. Just like Canada do the same thing, UK do the same thing, USA do the same thing, Australia do the same thing, and Yoruba people are capable of doing all this by themselves. We are a great nation. Tí wọ́n bá ń sọ èdè tí wọ́n recognize jù ní wọ́ọ̀dù nígbà tó fi máa mú mẹ́ta wọ́n máa mú Yorùbá ṣẹ̀kẹrin. Even though in America here, America recognize English language, they recognize Spanish language, they recognize China or India. the next person will be Yoruba. I'm telling you the fact. So this is why we are capable of doing this. Our immigration people, their detail, their information will be on social security card. If you dare taking a bribe, and they find out that you take a bribe, you will be in jail, a life in prison. That is how Yoruba Nation is setting up. It's not for the benefit of them, no, but for the benefit of their people. If you see anyone come outside and say that Yoruba Nation is scam, Yoruba Nation is dead, Yoruba Nation cannot work, they are lying. They are lying to you. They don't want it to work because of what they are doing. They know exactly why they don't want Yoruba Nation to work. Number 3, why Yoruba Nation is working for our Yoruba people. Yoruba Nation will provide a health care. Tó bá dé hospital, General Hospital Ìbàdàn, gbogbo irinṣẹ́ tó wà ní General Hospital Ìbàdàn ò tó mẹ́ta, gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́nà ti bàjẹ́ tán. FMC wàá tẹ̀ máa fowó ẹ̀ra private stuff ni ò ní ṣe. This government will be responsible for your caring. Tí báńkì torí bá ń fọ́ mi lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ bí mo ṣe wà nínú mọ́tò yìí, torí bá ń fọ́ mi, tí n bá páàkì ẹgbẹ́ títì, tí n bá páàkì oyin káyọ̀ kan ló máa jẹ mí, orin wípé kí n pe 911. Immediately tí bá ti pe 911 yẹn, ambulance ń bọ̀ tó máa wá pẹ̀lú àwọn nọ́ọ̀sì. Kò sí, wọn ò ní bèrè owó lọ́wọ́ mi, wọn ò ní bèrè bóyá oògùn tí mò ń lò. The best thing they will do is first aid. First aid. They will make sure I'm okay at that particular moment. Yoruba people are capable of doing this. Yoruba Nation is capable of doing this. They will make sure they provide a full health care. Àwa la ní àwọn doctors, àwọn medical doctor, great medical doctor, great nurse in UK, in Canada, in United States. Nigeria Yoruba, òun ló ní great doctor, ló ní great medical lawyer doctor. Tó wà bíbí, we have a great people. We have. But Nigeria cannot let them use them because of their evil. This is why we need Yoruba Nation to be able to acquire our people out of suffering. Àwọn èèyàn wa ń kú ikú tí ò tó kankan. Torí bá ń fọ́ èèyàn ń kú lé lórí ní Nàìjíríà. I don't see people dying anyhow in United States. Mi ò even though Kenya accident, mi ò kọ́ rí Kenya tó kú nínú accident yẹn kò sí bó ṣe lè pọ̀ tó. Because number 1, if you get an accident in Nigeria, they will be doing a video call, to show you how you get the accident. That is mentality. In here, if you get the accident, the next driver that see you that you get the accident, immediately they will call 911. Oh, but you are ready. 5 to 10 minutes, the 911 will be here and the ambulance will be there. They will be full of first aid. They will make sure they take care of you immediately. When they take care of you, they will now send you to the hospital. If you need a hospital or you need medical attention, they will send you to them. That is, your insurance will take the responsibility of the rest. Tó o bá wá jẹ́ immigrant, tó o ní ìwé, tó o ní insurance, wọ́n ní ignore ẹ o, nítorí pé o jẹ́ immigrant o. No, they will still take care of you. But they will put it in your record. So they will know that you owe them money, but they will do a first aid. They will make sure they take care of you. What my kọ́kọ́ say humanity now. We in Nigeria today, Nigeria lack of humanity. They took a religion instead of humanity. This is why we need a Yoruba nation. Ìdí tá a fi ní the Yoruba nation kò láti ọdún mẹ́jọ sọdún mẹ́jọ ní 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, bóyá 10 years now in United States. Iná ò lọ rí ọjọ́ kan iná ò lọ rí lójú mi. Iná wọn ò gbé iná lọ rí lójú mi l'Amẹ́ríkà. There will be a stable electricity. There will be a stable electricity. This is what Yoruba nation is trying to do for you. Number 6, Yoruba nation will provide a job. They will provide a job for the graduate and those people that not go to school. Everybody will be able to have a job. Unlike 17 years old here in United States, they are acquire $17 per hour. $17 to $22 per hour. A 17 years old. And you as a graduate, they are giving you $15,000, $20,000 per month. Yoruba nation will be able to provide a job with a stable kí ló tẹ́ pé pẹ̀lú owó tó wà okay láti bọ́ family ẹ, so that when you have money, you have a job, you will be able to acquire to buy any car you want. Wàá lè ra mọ́tò tó o like, wàá lè ra ilé tó o like tó o bá ti níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́. Lórí security tí mo sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn, ó ní nǹkan tí mo tún ní. So lórí ọ̀rọ̀ security yẹn, tó security bá wà, lecturer will not be able to demand for money from you as a boy. Then you girl, female, lecturer will not be able to ask you for sexual assault so that you can get a job. Nobody, manager cannot ask you for sexual assault to give you a job. They will not be able to do it because it will be in their record. It will be in their record, and when they caught in that situation, American bá ń ṣe nǹkan, wọ́n máa fún ẹ ní warning, first warning yẹn tó bá ti ṣe first warning yẹn tó mú jẹ, second warning tó mú jẹ, third warning ò lè mú jẹ. That is American for you. They will give you first, second, third. Ẹnìkan accuse ẹ, ó lọ gbowó lọ́wọ́ òun dẹ̀ bá ń sùn, wọ́n máa fi ẹ́ lẹ̀. Wọ́n ní kó wọ́n fún ẹ ní suspension ọjọ́ mẹ́ta, bóyá bí oṣù mẹ́ta àbóṣù mẹ́rin. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì wọ́n á ṣe the same thing. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta tẹ́nìkan bá tún ṣe o lè escape ẹ̀. They will punish you for that. So lecturer will not be able to demand for sexual assault. If we have Yoruba nation, no, lecturer will not, because you are a Muslim, I'm a Christian. Manager will not, because you are a Muslim, I'm a Christian. Then because of that, I cannot get a job. He will be fired and prosecuted. Àwọn oníṣẹ̀ṣe tìtorí pé mo jẹ́ Mùsùlùmí, a manager of Muslim, oníṣẹ̀ṣe wá sọ́dọ̀ mi, mo judge you because of religion. I cannot give you a job. Instead of that, I rather give a Muslim. No, you are going to jail. That is a working country that Yoruba nation is looking forward towards for you guys. Another one, Yoruba nation, nǹkan tí wọ́n ń wá fún yín, òun ni wípé tí wàá fi rí gọ́fúnà, tí wàá máa sọ, I hail you. Hey, let me tell you something. If Baba Tinubu come to this country today, no. If Baba Tinubu come to this country today, if I willing not to respect Baba Tinubu, I he cannot force me to respect him. Kò ní ẹ̀tọ́, kò ní right ẹ̀. Tó bá wù mí, màá respect wọn as a Yorùbá man. Tí ò bá wù mí, màá bọ̀ sí wọn lọ́wọ́, màá ṣèkì wọn. Tó bá tọ̀rọ̀ bá pawápọ̀, tó bá ní ká ṣèkì ara wa, wàá ṣèkì ara wa, kúrò ńbẹ̀. Bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. You will not see a politician as a god. Them, they will not treat you like you are a slavery. Eléyìí tí wàá rí wọn tí wọ́n máa wa mọ́tò, tí wọ́n máa ké àhẹ́lẹ́ o, hey, ha, oh, no, kò sí kan tó jọ. Torí Range Rover Sport tí àwọn ń lò, tí wọ́n bá níṣẹ́, wàá lo the same Range Rover Sport. Owó táwọn ń kó jẹ, tí Yorùbá Nation bá bọ́lẹ̀, tí Yorùbá Nation bá délé ní, wọn ò ní ní access àti kówó yẹn jẹ mọ́. This is why tí wọ́n fi fẹ́ kí a gba Yorùbá Nation. Another thing, our religious leader, those that are going to Saudi to use you to get money from Saudi, they will not be able to do it again because it's a crime. It's a crime against the humanity that you are going to Saudi to collect money on behalf of the country in the name of religion to enslave others. Wọ́n máa gbé wọn sí jail. Eléyìí tó wá sí online tó antagonize ẹ̀sìn kejì. Wọ́n máa gbé wọn wá sí jail. They will face they will face their time. Wọ́n máa lọ ẹ̀wọ̀n. This is why they don't want to support Yoruba Nation, because they know that what they are doing is against the humanity. If you are with me, brother and sister, Yoruba Nation have a lot for the poor masses, for the people that was suppressed by Nigerians, politicians, by Nigerian police, by Nigerian soldier, by Nigerian religious leaders, by Nigerian harbors. This is why Yoruba Nation is very important for Yoruba people, to build our nation in a great way. We can do it. We can do it. If we are doing it in another people's country, we can do it also in our home country. Yoruba are the part of people who make United States be a great nation today. Yoruba people is among of the people. Ẹ má bínú o, wọ́n flag mi ni o, wọ́n flag mi ni. We can do it. Yoruba people are the among of people who make UK, United Kingdom, and London. What do they call it? All this country, they are the one that make their country being a great country. No other African country can compare as a Yoruba to develop other people's country. Why we can't develop our people country, our own country? Our people are suffering and smiling every day. Our youth are dying on money ritual. They are doing a ritual because our government refused to provide a job. So we can see that our youth are doing money ritual. But I'm not being one flag me. The reason why our people are doing money ritual today, they are doing spell, they are kidnapping today, is because they don't have a job. Our government refused to provide a job. Wọ́n fẹ́ kí ẹ máa rí wọn, ká ẹ máa hẹ́ẹ̀lì wọn, ká ẹ máa rí wọn bí Ọlọ́run, káwọn máa rí yín gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹrú. And we don't want to see, Yoruba Nation don't want to see our people passing through this trauma. Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ká ẹ mọ̀ ni wípé àwọn tó ń ṣe Yoruba Nation, they are okay. They are well okay. They are well okay. I'm telling you the fact. Like me, I'm okay. I don't care about pé èèyàn kan gbowó kan, èèyàn kan gbowó kan. I don't need the social media money. Iṣẹ́ mi ni mò ń ṣe. I sit down a day and I make money. But we feel by Bíbélì kò sọ pé ọ̀pọ̀ la pè, ṣùgbọ́n díẹ̀ ló máa wá. There is 1,000 of Yoruba in America, but most of them will not talk. They will not tell you the truth. 70 years old is acquire $70 per hour. And you, as a graduate, a youth, a graduate, BLC, SFC, whatever holder you hold, you are still jobless in your home country. So we pay our ọmọ 70 years yẹn wọn ní certificate, wọ́n dẹ̀ ń gbowó, ìmí ti ra mọ́tò, ìmí ń lo D-wagon, ìmí ń lo any wagon. Tó bá rí gọ́vnà ìlú wọn, gọ́vnà bí yàrá gọ́vnà dá kó sọ̀rọ̀ sí. The reason is that they don't see the government as nothing. They see them as nothing. Èmi ṣé mo lè rí gọ́vnà báyìí kí gọ́vnà ṣe kinní kó ṣe gbéraga fún mi. Èmi náà máa la ojú ẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀. Àbọ̀ ń ṣe èrè. I don't beg from you. I don't take your money. So you don't feed me. You cannot talk to me anyhow. Nǹkan tí wọ́n fẹ́ kẹ́yìn ṣe nìyẹn. They want you to be slavery. Our religious leaders yín, they want you to be under them so that they can tell you what to do and how to do it. They don't want you to have a freedom of whatever you want. Because us, especially nínú Mùsùlùmí, they say you don't have access to ask for what you want. Oh, ní access láti béèrè lọ́wọ́ olóṣèlú nǹkan tó wá fúnra ẹ̀. Mùsùlùmí ló kọ́ ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n á ní Mùsùlùmí don't fight for the people. Ànábì Muhammad fight for the people. Jesus Christ fight for the freedom of the people. Israelites have a freedom today because of Jesus Christ. Arabians have a freedom of today is because of Muhammad. So my people, the right people to follow at this moment. Your pastor might be disappoint you, your alpha might be disappoint you, but your only church can be disappoint you. Follow those people that are saying Yoruba nation. They are the way and the truth and the light. For every evil that Nigeria is being imposed in Yoruba people. We are a unique and precious people. We make Nigeria be a Nigeria today. Yoruba people make a Nigeria what they have today. Nigeria never appreciate any Yoruba. The only thing Nigerians appreciate is killing our people, slaughtering our people. That is what Nigerians giving us. So why do you want to follow people that wasted your time, wasted your glory, don't care about your life? Why do you want to follow them? This is why we that clamoring for Yoruba nation are clamoring. There is anybody that clamoring for Yoruba nation under the Professor Banji Akintoye or Igbo are scamming. No, they are not scamming. They are well okay. They are well okay. I'm telling you the fact, they are well okay. Wow, okay. Nobody needs your money. But we need to save our people out of this hunger, out of this slavery, out of unfreedom. You have no freedom to move. You have no freedom to go do your religion, practice your religion. You have no freedom to say the government is doing wrong. You have no freedom to talk. This is why we need a Yoruba nation that will work for me and you, that will take care of our responsibility. Kì í ṣe pé bóyá àwọn náà ló máa ṣe gbogbo responsibility o, but they will take a 90% of your responsibility. Wọ́n máa make sure pé àgbẹ̀ ní right àti lọ oko, àgbẹ̀ á máa lọ oko, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá dẹ̀ ń lọ oko, wọ́n máa fún yín lówó kẹ́ fi máa ṣàgbẹ̀. Wọ́n ẹgbẹ́ ibi tí mo wà yìí, oko ló wà ń bẹ̀. Oko ló wà ń bẹ̀. Sorry, I can't give it to you. Oko ló wà ní gbogbo ẹ̀yìn bí, oko làwọn eléyìí. Oko làwọn ọbẹ̀ yẹn, they can go to farm at 9 p.m. They can be at farm even though in the middle of the night. Nobody will kidnap them. Nobody will hold them for ransom. Kò sí ẹni tó máa jí wọn gbé, kò sí ẹni tó máa pa wọ́n, kò sí ẹni tó ní right àti lọ kidnap wọn. This is a freedom that we want for our people. Does Nigeria, do you think Nigeria can give you a freedom? No. Nigeria cannot give you a freedom. The politician cannot give you a freedom. Our governor politician cannot give you a freedom. Our religion leaders cannot give you a freedom. You are the only one behind your own freedom. You are the one that can give yourself a freedom by rejecting their offer. By rejecting their offer. For those who think I speak a lot of English, I'm so sorry. Mi ò fi ṣe ìgbéraga. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má bínú. Ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí tí mo dẹ̀ gbọ́ èdè Yorùbá dáadáa. Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi? Ṣùgbọ́n mo ti ń sọ èdè òyìnbó ní 98%. Tí n bá wà nílé òyìnbó ni. Pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ mi òyìnbó ni. Tí mo wà lóko òyìnbó ni. Bí mo wà ń bí iṣẹ́ òyìnbó ni. So it is very convenient. Now, that is a matter of being a slavery in another people's country. This is why we try to fight for the freedom of our people, so that we can be able to acquire our culture, so that we can be able to have our culture back. Let me tell you this: if Nigerians and South Africa was detained by immigration, the South Africa will be enjoying and happy. Why? Because their country is good. But Nigeria will be panicking of kidnapping, panicking of suffering, panicking of whatever. Some people have hypertension, because they don't want to go home. Some people die because they don't want to go home. What do you want to come and do in a country that a bag of rice is 80,000 and the salary earner they earn 20,000? How do you feed yourself? No, but we know that this is going to be happening, and we are saying it. A good pastor will also say the same thing. A good affair, the same thing. But they will not say it because of the benefit they are making from the Saudis. They will not say it. Pastor will not say it because of the benefit that he's making from the churches. Poor people go to church, poor people go to mosque. My brother, my sister, Yoruba nation is the way of the truth and the light. For the evil that Nigerians are behind, especially politicians, religious leaders, all these celebrities, they are beheaded for every one of us. Yoruba nation is the truth and the light for them. This is why I'm telling you, and I'm gonna tell you 100,000 times, Yoruba nation is the only way of the separation of Nigeria. The only way to save our people is Yoruba nation. Let me tell you, if we are still in Nigeria, we will face a lot of calamity, atrocity. Our youth will become a criminal all over the country. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ torí Ọlọ́run, ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ the right thing at the right time. This is not maybe those people that clamoring Yoruba nation, they have no job. Anybody tell about it against àwọn tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ Yoruba nation. Ẹ lọ wo profile ẹ̀, ẹ lọ wo ẹnìyẹn dáadáa. It's either Fulani, one. It's either Hausa, two. It's either those people that benefit from Nigeria, three. It's either religious leaders that don't want people to be smart, that don't want people to know that he is scamming us in the name of religion. Four. That is the only four people that will not support a Yoruba nation. Please, like this, comment and share. Out of no time, I create a time. Mi ò ní time, but mo create a time láti sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Kì í ṣe pé bóyá mi ò níṣẹ́, èmi náà níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ tí mò ń ṣe. Mi ò dẹ̀ gbé fún mi ò ń ṣe social media. mi ò gbé fídíò sí what do I call it YouTube. Kì í ṣe pé mi ò mọ̀ ṣe o, mo lè ṣe but mi ò ṣe torí kí ni iṣẹ́ Yorùbá Nation ọ̀fẹ́ ni. Please let our people free. We need the freedom for our people. I don't care you might be rich. I don't care you might not rich. But we need a country that will treat rich and poor the same thing, the same way. It is not matter how we want it, but how God wants it is to make our people to be the same, equal like us. Tí wọ́n bá rí ẹ, wọn ò ní lè máa hail governor. Ìwọ náà ò ní lè máa hail governor bí Ọlọ́run. You will see them like ordinary person like you. They only have an opportunity. Pastor will not scam you. Pé ogun ló ń ja ìran ẹ, ogun oṣó ló ń ṣe ẹ́, ìyá ẹ ní problem ẹ, bàbá ẹ ní problem ẹ. Pastor will not use that as an excuse to scam you. Your afar will not use Jalabi or whatever to scam you. Your afar will not send you to internet war. Pé kó lọ bùdà, àbí fún ẹni 20,000 naira, àbí 10,000 naira, pé kó lọ gbé bọ́ǹbù kọ́ra, kó lọ para ẹ. You will not do that because you have a life. Ẹ bá bínú flag ni o. Lákòótán, ará mi, let's be aware that our people, humanity is the first. Let's join hands together to acquire our aim and objective. Yoruba Nation is the only solution to our people. Yoruba Nation is the only solution for our people. Religiously, physically, financially, medically, academically, or maybe wherever, politically. Yoruba Nation is the only way. The only way for us is Yoruba Nation. Mo ti pé 1 hour lórí program yìí. So fún ìdí èyí, mo sọ yìí mo dúró ná. Tó bá tún di next time, a tún máa wá, a tún máa pariwo. Kò sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ kankan fún Nàìjíríà ju pé kí oníkálukú ẹlẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kó kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀dání lọ. Tí bàbá Tinubu bá ń gbìyànjú àti túnṣe, àwọn Haúsá Fúlàní wọ́n máa gbìyànjú àti ìbàjẹ́. Kò sí ìfẹ́ láàrin orílẹ̀-èdè mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta mọ́. Ìgbò, Haúsá àti Yorùbá. Kò sí ìfẹ́ láàrin wa mọ́. We don't love ourselves. Our people don't love ourselves. Igbo don't love Hausa. Hausa don't love Yoruba. If Hausa love Yoruba, they will not kidnap Yoruba and kill them. No. If Igbo love Hausa, if Hausa love Igbo, they will not kidnap Igbo or send the army to Igbo and kill them. No. If we love our people, we love ourselves, we will not punishing our farmers in Yoruba land now. They will not punish our farmers in Yoruba land now. This is why we need our nation to be a great nation. Yoruba nation, Yoruba people is a great people. Mo sọ yìí mo dúró ná. Lákòótán, ẹ̀yin
In 2 miles, take exit 36 for I-94 Business Loop, Michigan Avenue, toward Michigan 96 Commercial.
Ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá gbàgbọ́ kì yóò ṣègbé, kì yóò sì ní iyè, yóò ní iyè àìnípẹ̀kun. Yoruba nation, no going back. Lákòótán, ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi orin Yoruba nation kí n fi parí ẹ̀. I don't want you to celebrate me. I don't want your comment to be appreciating. Don't appreciate me. I don't want to be appreciated. I don't want to be celebrity. I don't want you to reward me with anything. So remember, I don't ask you for money and I will never ask you for money. Iṣẹ́ owó ni mò ń ṣe, mo dẹ̀ ń gba owó. So tó bá fẹ́ follow mi torí pé o fẹ́ gbódòdó ọ̀rọ̀, wàá gbódòdó ọ̀rọ̀. Tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé eléyìí tó máa bá ewì náà wàá gbọ́ o. Tó bá jẹ́ kínní.
In a half mile, take exit 36 for I-94 Business Loop, Michigan Avenue, toward Michigan 96 Commercial.
Ayọ̀lá ìṣọ̀kan.
Take exit 36.
Ní ẹ jẹ́ ká máa lépa tẹ̀síwájú.
In a quarter mile, turn left on the Michigan 96 West, Michigan Avenue.
Ohun tó dára, ọmọ Oòduà dìde.
Turn left on the Michigan 96 West, Michigan Avenue.
Ìwọ ni ìmọ́lẹ̀ gbogbo adúláwọ̀. Yoruba Nation, no going back. Thank you very much. Like, comment, and share. God bless you. God bless Yoruba Nation. God bless me. God bless America. Thank you.